Welcome to mySutton portal. Our platform provides you with secure 24/7 online access to our product catalogue, pricing, invoicing, delivery information, and real-time stock availability, all at your fingertips. Explore our vast product range. Shop by category or brand, or use the global search for quick and efficient navigation. Filter the products further by category or dimensions to find exactly what you're looking for. Click on the product name or image to view full range, further details, including features and benefits, specifications, and any relevant resources, such as images you can also download. Ordering has never been easier. Simply click on the plus icon next to any product to add it to your cart and use the minus icon to remove any items. You can also add to a list. Add products you regularly order, saving you time and effort ordering in the future. Stock on hand is visible in the shopping cart for quick review before final checkout. Once you're ready to proceed, review your order and click Checkout. Choose your delivery method and enter your purchase order number, then click Place Order. If you already know the products you'd like to order, you can create a quick order. Simply type in the SKUs and quantities and add to cart, or use the CSV uploader to quickly add multiple products to your order for over 100 lines at a time. Need to keep track of your orders or reorder the same products? With mySutton, you can access them simply by going to the Orders History section. Here you can view further details by selecting date or PO numbers, download a copy of your invoice, track your order in real time, or simply reorder as per previous orders. Looking for a specific invoice? You can search by using the date filter. When you scroll down, you'll find useful links, frequently asked questions, as well as your local representative's contact details and our social media channels. You can also log a query for customer service by clicking on Contact Support, or contact us via email or phone. Select user settings to update your password at any time. In account information, you'll find your billing and shipping addresses. For more information on the mySutton portal, please contact your Sutton Tools sales representative. mySutton, your tools.